Welcome to the future of car safety. In this video, we unveil the top technology behind the best 5-mirror dash camera for cars. Discover the features, benefits, and why they're game changer for your driving experience. Stay tuned for expert insights and recommendations to make an informed choice. Don't hit the road without ensuring your safety with the best mirror dash camera available. Number 1. Jansight Mirror Dash Night Vision Backup Camera Enhance Safety on the Road. Introducing the 10-inch mirror dash cam with night vision, providing crystal clear 1080p Full HD recording on a full touch screen. Capture both front and rear view seamlessly with the dual camera setup. The 170 wide-angle lens ensures a comprehensive field of vision, enhancing your driving safety. Experience the convenience of loop recording, ensuring continuous coverage without worrying about storage space. The streaming media feature allows real-time viewing on the expansive 10-inch display. Navigate effortlessly through the user-friendly interface, making it a breeze to operate. Enhanced by advanced night vision technology, this dashcam excels in low-light conditions, providing clarity and security during nighttime drives. The 10 meters cable ensures versatile installation options, while parking assistance adds an extra layer of safety. Invest in your driving peace of mind with this reliable mirror dash cam, a comprehensive solution for your car's security and recording needs. Number 2. Pelsi P12 Pro Mirror Dash Camera, where innovation meets safety. Upgrade your driving experience to the next level with the feature-packed Pelsi P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Camera. This smart device goes beyond just recording, it's your co-pilot on the road. The sizable 12-inch rear-view camera seamlessly integrates into your vehicle, providing a clear and comprehensive view of the road. Effortless navigation takes center stage with intuitive voice control, ensuring a hands-free and safe driving environment. Capture every detail of your journey in stunning 2160 pixel resolution on both front and rear cameras. Receive real-time alerts and warnings, adding an extra layer of awareness to your drive. Don't let low-light conditions hinder your visibility. The advanced night vision feature guarantees clarity day or night. Even when your car is stationary, the Pelsi P12 Pro keeps a vigilant eye with its parking monitoring feature, offering peace of mind wherever you park. Elevate your driving journey with the Pelsi P12 Pro, where innovation meets safety and convenience. Number 3. Wolfbox 4K Mirror Dash Backup Camera Ultimate Solution for Driving Security. Experience a new standard of driving security and ease with the Wolfbox G912-inch 4K Mirror Dash Cam. Tailored for both cars and trucks, this cutting-edge device promises an enhanced driving experience. With an impressive 2160 pixel Full HD resolution, the dual front and rear cameras ensure every detail of your journey is captured. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventure seeker, Wolfbox G900 acts as a reliable witness on the road. Drive confidently day or night, courtesy of advanced night vision technology. The parking assistance feature adds an extra layer of security when your vehicle is parked, offering peace of mind wherever your journey takes you. Inclusive of a free 32GB memory card and GPS functionality, this package simplifies installation and elevates your overall driving experience. Seamlessly blend safety, convenience, and innovation with the Wolfbox 900, turning every drive into a secure and connected journey. Number 4. Vemont 4K Wi-Fi Mirror Dash Camera Advanced Driving Co-Pilot. Introducing the Vemont 4K Wi-Fi Mirror Dash Cam, your advanced driving companion. This 12-inch front and rear view mirror camera seamlessly integrates cutting-edge features to elevate your driving experience. Equipped with a Sony Starvis sensor, capture every detail in stunning 4K resolution. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi capability, allowing easy access and sharing of your footage. The included GPS adds an extra layer of location data to your recordings. Navigate effortlessly with voice control, ensuring a hands-free and safe driving environment. The waterproof reverse backup camera enhances your parking experience, providing clarity in all weather conditions. Count on enhanced night vision for optimal visibility during low light situations. Experience added security with parking assistance, making tight spots a breeze. Upgrade your driving safety with Veermont, where innovation meets clarity on the road. Number 5. Jomai's 4K Mirror Dash Camera Complete Road Safety Solution. Experience the pinnacle of road safety with the Jomai's 4K Mirror Dash Cam Gate 114, a sophisticated solution designed to redefine your driving experience. This advanced 11-inch rear-view mirror camera seamlessly integrates cutting-edge features, ensuring not just security but also connectivity on the road. Capture the details of your journey with impeccable clarity, thanks to the 2160-pixel resolution provided by the dual front and rear cameras. The IPS touchscreen and Type-C connector bring a modern and intuitive interface to your fingertips, making navigation and control a seamless experience. The added convenience of the parking monitor feature ensures your vehicle remains under watchful protection even when parked, offering an extra layer of security. As a thoughtful inclusion, a free 32 GB card is provided, allowing you to hit the road with Jomai's G814 without delay. Elevate your driving safety and convenience with this feature-rich mirror dash cam. Thanks for joining us on this exciting journey. Remember, drive safe out there, and let these mirror dash cameras help you capture those unforgettable moments on the road. Until next time, take care, and happy driving!